Hi there, it's Amanda the Creative Gardener. Anyway, so, oh, didn't notice that. Anyway, I've just seen something I didn't notice before. I've got some Mexican sunflower growing. Anyway, interesting. Okay, so I wanted to show you something which is more on the creative side, and we're going to, we're not going to experiment today, but I want to show you the plant. Now, okay, let's get started. Okay, I wanted to show you this particular flower, this plant. It's more like a kind of a vine, as it were, and it produces these pods here. And it's called Clitoria something, or that something begins with a T, and I'll put it up so that you can see it. Anyway, so it produces these lovely blue purpley flowers, and then it produces the pods. Now the younger pods you can eat, but as they get older and thicker, like these ones, they're very tough, so I wouldn't even bother. But I have tasted, these are just like, you know, like not sugar snap peas, but yeah, just like peas. And then it kind of develops into the pods, which will dry, which will have the seeds. The seeds, let me see, I don't really want to touch it, really. Okay, so the seeds just remind me of, what do you call it? Sweet pea. Yeah, so you just, okay, so that's the seeds. I haven't got anything else to say about them. But it produces quite a thick, this one particular seed, so there's one seed here, and this is, the vine that it produces is actually really quite thick, and you can see it on the fence there. I guess that's probably more than one seed, because what's happening is these are all just dropping and then falling down there. But the thing of interest is the flowers. Oops, looking into something there. The flowers, and you can actually make a tea from the flowers, and it makes a blue tea. And there's other things that you can do with it in terms of like colouring, like desserts and things like that. But I just thought I would show you these. Are so pretty. And there's another variety, I think there's a kind of a more purpley variety. So this is a bluey kind of, I guess it looks purple really, doesn't it? And then it's got a yellow and white centre. But yeah, this is used as I'm not sure about the leaves, but the flowers, you can make a tea with it, and it's apparently, haven't had any yet. It tastes almost like green tea, and it's full of antioxidants and things like that. So that's I was happy to find this particular plant, and then it's spread. So I haven't yet I haven't trained it at all. It's just done this, which I don't mind, because you know, obviously it's going to shield out next door, and then you've got the lovely flowers which matches the compost bin, and this will be a nice area once I've finished with it and cleared it up. This will be a nice area to come and sit and drink tea. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to really show you that, and I think it's very easy to grow, because where the seeds have fallen, they're a little plant that's forming. So what I'm going to do is put them in a pot, and yeah, it's a nice trailing plant to grow, and you can, I guess, even have hanging baskets with it. That would be pretty, wouldn't it? Yeah, and the fact that you can eat the young pods. I'm not sure about the seeds. I've still got to do my research about, you know, what the seeds have been used for, or what the leaves have been used for. But yeah, that's what I found out about the flowers. Okay, so there you have it. I thought I would just share that with you. So yeah, so do come back tomorrow and see what else is growing on, and I'll be happy to accommodate you. All right, take care for now. Bye.